Good morning from Grand Family Farm. I have an egg delivery to do, and then we'll be back on the farm to do some work. Yeah, headed down to feed the animals at the barn. Okay, all the pigs got hay. I'll feed them grain a little bit later. I want to eat the hay first. They seem to waste it. The ones over here, they were begging for some grain, but I flopped their hay over, and so they started eating it again. The chickens are doing better. Got 11 eggs today. The ducks still haven't started laying again. These guys, they want to eat some grain too. I want them to eat the hay first, stop wasting it. And they see I don't have anything, they'll go back over there and eat the hay. We still got to unhook the trailer from the Yukon, so it's not tied up. It's a beautiful day to be moving dirt. Ward's laying there with a baby on top of him. So it's 7:03 and still daylight. Got quite a bit done, move some dirt. I'll go down and got some eggs here. They're old, and we'll give those to the pigs. They'll had to run to town, but it'll be back, and they'll be watering the pigs, and then it'll be a day. Sure is nice to have longer days. It is cold though. It was nice earlier. All right. Look at this. Oh, we dropped it. There, I'll throw some out here for the pigs. Oh, hit him in the head. Yeah, they like them. There are heralds inside, just on a fit. Oh, there's mice running everywhere. Look at this. I need more mouse traps. Like, well, there. Maybe a couple of them. All right, Harold. I know you like eggs. There's one over there behind you. There he goes, little pig. So one's broke. Eggs. Harold loves eggs. So does Penelope. And Petunia apparently does too. She's fighting with her babies. I don't know if those babies can open them yet. Their mouths are big enough. There. Just broke one open for them. Oh, they didn't see it. Right there beside you, little guy. Here. There he goes. Got it now. Broke it open for him. Anyway, that's what you do with old eggs. You give them the pigs. Pigs love eggs. Well, it's getting cold and the sun's going down. been a beautiful day. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.